In this video, we will talk about how to change output device on Windows 11. Method 1. Volume icon. Click on volume icon, then click on arrow. Select your output device like speakers, headphones, or Bluetooth device. Method 2. Change output device. Click on Start. Open Settings. On the left, click on System. Then, Sound. Under Output, choose your preferred audio device. Method 3. Set output as per apps. Click on Start. Open Settings. On the left, click on System. Then, Sound. Scroll down, select Volume Mixer. Set a specific output device for each app. So that's how you can change output device on Windows 11. See you in the next video.